Hello guys, you're welcome. Live on Coinmarketcap now. I'm gonna be looking at Coinmarketcap's heat map. That's a crypto heat map, and Coinmarketcap happens to be a website that usually promotes this heat map, as with most other platforms. So it says today's crypto heat map here. Visualize the market with our crypto heat map, showing price falls and rises and falls, and relative asset size. So for the heat map, by the end of this video, you should know what an heat map means and the pegs, and think all you need to know about what the value of this heat map, the value and the pegs around the heat map. So we're live on seeing the live heat map on Coinmarketcap now. This for store of value. So you can see that the price is fluctuating. So it's more like a pictorial representation of what is currently happening in the trading world. So on this now, you can see the price of Bitcoin is fluctuating between 48,700, and the fractions and the dominance is okay. It's okay. Everything is on the green side. So on this heat map here, this is what an heat map looks like. This is an heat map. So on this heat map, you can see that there are various coins here, tokens here that are being represented. So that's one of the advantages it has. You can see the prices of Ethereum, they are moving. Price of Ada Cardano. You can see prices for BNB, price for memes, NFTs, decentralized finance tokens, and smart contracts. So we're gonna read out some key notes here. So the heat map is a graphical representation of data where values are expressed as colors. So values are expressed as colors in the form that these if the ones represented in red here shows a downfall, a low performance, that the price is falling as to the mark that it's supposed to have. The ones with the prices that are green already means the crypto the coin is doing perfectly okay. It's doing, there's a 5% increase of BNB, while Ethereum there's a 1.54 increase. So it shows that the coin is thriving well. So more on these notes here, it says heat maps provide an effective visual summary of information because they synthesize data, then they present it in pictorial form. So heat maps main advantage, that the main advantage of heat map is that it's a presentation tool over a spreadsheet, is that it allows for a large volume of data to be communicated almost instantly. So on the heat map, you get to see almost all cryptocurrencies in a large format. So you can see here was initially green, but now it is red. This Luna token here, that's Luna. We have some other ones that have gone from green to red here. So you can see there are large tokens here. You can see them in a pictorial format. So that's the main advantage that an heat map has. So I'm going to still drop this link to this particular place here for you to read more on this article here. He said, keep in mind that heat maps are used in various forms of analytics, like showing prices of an asset on CoinMarketCap. However, they are also used with the intention of showcasing user behavior on specific web pages or website templates. In fact, heat maps can even be used to showcase where users have clicked on a page or how far they have scrolled. So those are some of the things that heat maps are being used for. Those are some of the stuff that they're being used for. So, but the only disadvantage it has, that heat maps usually has, is that the fact that they might not have full information about what how to go about making an accurate. Okay, let's read it out here. It said heat maps at times can even be misleading due to the fact that they they involve large quantities of data that might not include all of the required information to make an accurate assumption about a specific trend. So that's one of the issues of heat maps, guys. So hope this update is helpful to you. By the end of the video, at least you should know what an heat map is. You should know the basics, the importance, and the disadvantages of heat maps. So guys, peace out, guys. See you in our future uploads. If you like keys, don't forget to subscribe if you want updates like this, and see you in our future uploads. You can drop your comments in the comment section. We'll attend to it. One love, guys.